New information tonight about the spike in COVID-19 cases in Hays County. For the first time since March, the local health department held a press conference to share with reporters what may be driving those numbers up. Just minutes ago, Hays County reported 145 new cases. It's the second highest daily total, and it brings the 7-day average to 107 cases per day. As KXAN's Tahira Rahman explains, leaders attribute a lot of it to the rivers and to the protests.
We are seeing that second wave that everyone has been talking about.
Hays County's epidemiologist attributes that second wave to people packing the rivers in San Marcos and New Braunfels, marching at protests, and visiting crowded late-night bars.
We anticipated an uptick as businesses, bars, restaurants, and local hangouts reopened, but that number is growing faster than expected.
Eric Schneider says in the last week, more than half of the new cases are young people between the ages of 20 and 29 who live in San Marcos.
They floated the river since Memorial Day, which was just over 14 days ago, which is about the time frame where we would start to see people who were possibly exposed would be showing signs and symptoms and testing positive right now.
The county, also in the process of reopening, has had to take a few steps back. 2 offices in the government center, they say, are now closed because some of the employees came into contact with individuals who tested positive for COVID-19.
The Justice of the Peace Office for Precinct 1 and the County Clerk's Office are closed until further notice. As reopening continues, Schneider urges the public to remember there's still a pandemic.
At this point, most of our residents should assume that they take the risk of coming into contact with someone who has COVID-19 as soon as they leave their home.
Tahira Rahman, KXAN News.
The Hays County epidemiologist also says there are 3 main industries that have high cases of COVID-19. Those are healthcare, construction, and food service workers. The epidemiologist did not provide any more specifics about which sections of those industries may be most affected. The total number of COVID-19 cases in Gillespie County hit double digits today. The county reports a resident experiencing mild symptoms is now the 10th person to test positive. The county said the case is associated with travel outside of the county, but still within Texas. We told you yesterday about 3 other cases in Gillespie County, all associated with a nursing home in Fredericksburg. The county judge told KXAN he's concerned about people not wearing masks and social distancing in downtown Fredericksburg, which is seeing large crowds return on the weekends. Today, he said if things don't change, the county could be setting itself up for dramatic increases in cases locally. The county also announced today a free mobile testing site will be set up next Tuesday for Gillespie County residents. We have the details for that on our website, kxan.com.